When you think about Black History Month, you often think about the past, but one Metro Detroiter is thinking about the future, especially when it comes to technology and innovation and making sure his community has a role in it. At New Lab Detroit,
It's a special celebration. Everybody's here. Everybody's excited.
hundreds are kicking off Black History Month in the tech hub of innovation.
It basically makes me have hope for the future.
Detroit-based organization Black Tech Saturdays is bringing them all together, growing a community, meeting twice a month to provide opportunities for Black people in tech.
This is important to really showcase the people who have done it before us, and really show people who are looking to get into technology, whether you're tech curious, whether you're already in technology, what's possible.
Many of them creating startups like De'Lon Dixon.
Growing up, I was really into technology. I had a computer since 3rd grade.
Sacrificing his 20s to create Think Technologies, a resource to help others.
Think Technologies is an AI agency designed to build AI products and tools for the community, small business, and creatives.
At 30, he's already thinking about the legacy he wants to leave for generations behind him, motivated by making sure all people have a role in a quickly growing industry.
I guess it's important to look at what Black history is all about, but now we should be thinking about shaping the future with Black people being at the table and determining where the future of technology goes.
On top of creating Black Tech Saturdays, Tech Connect AI chatbot, Think Technologies is also launching You Think.
Essentially a series of micro courses online that teaches people how to use digital tools like Canva, ChatGPT, Google Analytics, and so forth.
And preparing for their biggest event yet, a Google Innovation Summit later this month, along with Black Tech Saturdays and several others, continuing to make the younger version of him, the 8-year-old growing up in Harrison Township, proud.
We can inspire people the same way Google inspired me growing up. So it's just a really full circle moment that I'm really thankful for the opportunity.
Proud of the fact that he's a part of shaping the future of labor right in the city of Detroit.
This is a really special tech renaissance.
In Corktown, Christiana Ford, 7 News Detroit.